We're going to slide backward until that spot is at the edge of a bed. Take your hands, place them on the back of your head. Allow gravity to take your head weight and upper body weight downward as much as we can until we feel a deep opening stretch. If that segment is locked up, you might get that sudden pop you are looking for. This is how we can take it to the next level. Press down with your head and wing your elbows down towards the floor until you feel a deep stretch. Do not try to force the pop with this one. Instead, hold this comfortably for 15 to 20 seconds. From there, you can relax and then repeat this 3 to 5 times. And you can switch over different spots